All right, for this video, we are starting off with where we left off in the last one, where we had our work order that we'd created as part of this demo service provider workflow. Here, what we're going to do is now find the two tasks that are in there and select both of them. And then what we'd like to do is click on inspections, and we're going to ask it to upload. So this goes through a multi-step process. I'm going to talk through the initial steps for simplicity. So one of the things we recommend doing is this first step where it says to upload summary. I like to download this summary.csv. The benefit of this is it helps pre-populate some of the data for you. So I already downloaded this before and highlighted a few fields to make it a little easier to know what is required or not. So these four columns, D, F, G, and H are the required ones. The benefit of us having exported the summary file is it then pulls in the name of the site and the turbine for each of these. So that speeds us up a bit. It also indicates the same unique ID for the task with those. So the two other things we need to provide are the type of inspection. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here one of these options, which I will use Blade External Other. Note that it needs to be the exact language as one of these, and we typically reserve the autonomous drone for the SkySpecs inspections. The final one is the date on which that specific inspection occurred. So we are a bit particular about which date format is used. So if you happen to have a month of the year or day of the month that is, let's say, 09 for September, you need to be careful about which date format that you are trying to use. So here I might type in 2026-09-12, or I'll do 15. Yeah. So you notice that the 09 disappears to just 9. So what I'm going to do here is for these two fields, I'm going to change my format, go to more number formats, and I'm going to use date, and I want to use one of these that doesn't hide the leading 0. So if I use this one, it gets me what I need, and pop that in there, and I'm good to go. So before you do any of this, make sure that you do delete these two unneeded rows, hit save, and we come back over here to our wizard. We can do the upload summary, and we can find that file. Which one did I call it? Summary demo. There we go. And open that up. So it asks us how to interpret the file. And note the upper limitation of doing 150 inspections at a time. If we have exported it, it's smart enough to link and know which of the fields map to which columns. But you can certainly bring your own file and just map these accordingly. Then if we hit preview, we can see a number of the optional fields that I decided to leave off. So some of those on the prior image that I showed, we have the serial number, the component type we can fill out, vendor, those are all optional. And once I do this, this is going to create two separate inspections events. If I continue to details, I'll continue this in the next video. Thanks.